So open your AutoCAD 2021 or your AutoCAD software and try to do with me. So today we'll try to demonstrate more commands. So I am sharing my screen with you. 1 minute. Now please respond. Soumodip De Modok, are you present?
Present, sir. Present, sir. Present.
Yes, yes. Ankit Prasad. Ankit. Probal Sen.
Present, sir.
Pronoy Sarkar. Pronoy. Dora Binit. Shivam Mondol. Swastik Acharya. Shreyoshi De. Aman Kumar Singh.
Present, sir.
Shantanu Barman.
Yes, sir.
Shreyas Tripathi.
Present, sir.
Suchandrima Das.
Present, sir.
So this is your first class,
Yes,
Suchandrima?
sir. Actually, yes, sir.
Okay. Oishik Vishwas. Devmallo.
Present, sir.
Okay, Swastik.
Sir, rule 152
Sao.
present.
Devmallo, yes. Ritam Sao.
Present, sir.
Ranojit Das.
Yes, sir.
Krishna Bor.
Present, sir.
Vishal Mondol, present. Okay. Deep Haldar. Present.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Shumon Acharya.
Present, sir.
Shobik Pramanik. Ramit Ahmed Sardar.
Present, sir.
Okay. So do you have any question regarding our earlier classes?
No, sir.
And
It's okay.
okay. So can you do with me? So open your AutoCAD software. Okay. So in our last class, probably we discussed line command. So you know how to make the lines. Also, probably you know what is the difference between line command or line drawn using line command or lines drawn using polyline command. Right? Okay. Have I demonstrated rectangle command? Okay. Okay. Now next command, probably you use arc command. Okay. Now you see in the arc you will get different options. So first one, but default option is 3-point arc. If you write here or from your draw toolbar also, you will get the arc command. You see there are many options to make one arc. So from your diagram, from your drawing, you have to understand what are the information you have with you to make the arc. Sometimes we know 3 points. So using 3 points, you can make one arc. Also, sometimes the end point or the start point, end point or radius, these informations may be available. Please allow me to take one call, 1 minute. Yes, sorry for this. So for arc, you will find there are different options. So let us take this 3-point option. Okay. Now arc specifies start point of arc. Say this is my start point. Okay. So specify second point of arc. Okay. Now again it is asking for specify end point of arc. So considering your drawing, considering the information you have to use the required option to make the arc there. Is it clear to you? Please respond. So can you make one arc? So these options can be explored when you have the required drawing where you can apply this information. Start in radius, start in direction, start in angle, start center length. So you may explore later on also, but you know these are the options you may use to make one arc. But when you can use it, depending on your drawing, you have to apply, depending on the information you have to make the arc. Now another thing, suppose you have made one say line. Now I want to make one say perfect straight line or perfect horizontal line. So as you know, we have to on ortho mode. So when ortho mode is on, then only you can make this type of lines. So say this length is up to this one. Now with this line, I want to divide this line into say 5 equal segments. Understand? 5 equal segments. Now how to divide this? In your engineering drawing also, you have divided this type of lines. At that time, what you have done? Arbitrarily, you have drawn one line here, making an angle with this, and then with your divider or with your say compass, you have divided say in 5 equal divisions here, and then from the end point you have joined the end point here and drawing the parallel lines, you can divide this line. Do you know this procedure or not? Okay. So but here in AutoCAD we have one dedicated command to make to divide the line. How to divide this thing? From draw, go to point, and here you will find divide. Understand? Draw, point, then you have to come to divide. So I am taking this divide command. So divide, select object to divide. So I want to divide this one. Now enter the number of segments. Say for example, I want to make 5. Now probably the divisions are there, but we cannot see the division mark for this. Now how to show that thing? So from format, you change the point style. Basically what happens in the point style, if you see the point style here is only one dot. So that dot is overlapping with the line itself. So that is why you cannot see the division mark in this line. So you need to change the point style from this. Suppose I am taking this point style. Now see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From this one line, we have got 5 equal line segments or 5 divisions. Can you do this? Please try to do with me. So let us see what happens with this arc. Draw, point, divide. Say for example, I want to make 3. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3. So you have made 3 divisions with this arc. Let us take one, say, rectangle. Say this is my rectangle. But I want to divide this line, the top line of this rectangle, top side of this rectangle. Then what to do? Can anyone say this thing? Are you with me? Can you follow this thing? Okay. Now, for this rectangle, I have drawn this rectangle using rectangle command, right? With rectangle command. Now the thing is, for this rectangle, I want to divide the top side of this rectangle. Then what to do to divide this top side of this rectangle? What should be the procedure?
Sir, first we have to go to the some cubicle options are there, sir. Then we have to export, and
Okay.
then we have to select that line, and then enter answer that. Then again, then
Yes.
select, and then it
Yes,
will be
your
get.
answer is correct. The procedure should be, since we have made this rectangle using rectangle command, so this is basically one compound object. That means the rectangle has single entity. If I try to select this rectangle, the whole rectangle will be selected by clicking once. That means the whole thing is basically one object. Now, if I try to divide this line, the top side of this rectangle, if I do not use any other option, by doing this thing, the whole rectangle will be divided. Suppose I am trying to select this thing. So I cannot select the top side of this rectangle. The whole rectangle is selected. So if I now try to divide this, say, in 5 equal segments, you see this is the case. The rectangle is basically divided into 5 equal segments. So that is not my objective. My objective was to divide the top side of this rectangle. So to do that, first thing we have to do is basically your explore. So this is the explore command, or from the draw toolbar also, from modify toolbar also, you have to find the explore command. This is the explore command. So first you have to explore this thing. Enter. Now you see I can select individual lines. All should understand this thing. If you do not understand, please ask me the question. Please let me know if you do not understand this thing. So first thing is we have to make the explore of this rectangle. Then only I can select the top side or 4 individual lines, and then you can apply the divide command. Say here, suppose I want 4 divisions, then only it is possible.
Sir, how did you change the point style from
Yes,
single
from the
point?
format, you have to find the point style.
Okay, sir.
Okay, from format you go to point style. Is it clear? Can you do this with me? Is there anybody who does not understand this thing, who cannot follow this? Is there any student who does not have laptop or desktop right now? Is there any student who does not have the AutoCAD software right now? Shumon, are you talking?
Sir, I don't have laptop today because it has gone to repair.
Okay, no problem. But follow this thing, and when
Sir, I too have don't.
yes, Antonu.
Sir, I also don't have a laptop by now.
Okay, but when you get it, is there any chance to get the laptop or desktop?
Sir, I am thinking about this.
But the thing is, I cannot pressurize you. But the thing is, to learn the software, you need one either desktop or laptop. Otherwise, it is not possible to learn this thing. You may see what is happening there. You may understand the procedures, but you have to do yourself. Then only you will understand, or then only you will learn the software.
Yes, sir.
So only Shumon and Shantanu, these two students have a problem with laptop.
I will get the laptop by tomorrow, sir.
Okay, no problem. But install the software.
I have already installed. My laptop was malfunctioning. That's why I
no problem.
put it.
No problem. But when you will get the laptop, practice it.
Yes, sir.
Is there any other student who does not have laptop or a desktop or the software?
I have not any laptop, sir. Don't
Desktop?
have any laptop. No, sir.
Then how will you do these things? Any plan?
Sir, করা তো হচ্ছে না, জাস্ট দেখছি প্রসিডিউর গুলো ফলো করছি।
Understand. But see, again I am telling you, I cannot pressurize you. We hope that university will be open, but the thing I do not know, I cannot ensure that thing. Otherwise, you have to arrange, or at least from your friend or from your relatives, you try to get the laptop or desktop and try to practice. Where do you stay, Ranjit?
যাদবপুরে, স্যার।
In Jadavpur. In which area?
হ্যাঁ, স্যার। গড়ফা।
Gorfa. Okay. So from your department also you cannot access your laboratory?
সেটা তো জানি না, অ্যাক্সেস তো করতে দেবে না মনে হয়।
কথা বলে দেখো।
ঠিক আছে, স্যার।
Is there any other persons who have some problems with laptop or desktop? Anyway, so can you do this up to say division? Any problem up to this?
Sir, can it be done by just command line?
Which one? Please repeat.
Just divide and just divide command. Can it be done just by command line?
Yes. Typing here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, possible. Whenever you are taking one command from this main toolbar, all the options are there. So you can type here also, you may access that thing. Similar for the all.
So
commands.
we don't have to remind all things. So if we forget something, so we can do that by command also.
Yes, no problem. Basically, you see in the draw main toolbar, all the commands are there. So it is not required to memorize all the things. You should know how to operate that thing. Again and again, I am telling one thing. Please follow the command line. All the instructions are there related to that command. Okay. So when you are taking one command, say divide. So here you see in capital display divide. So this is the command to make the division of the object. So it is not required to remember this command because this information is already there in your main toolbar, main draw toolbar. So always you may go here and from there you can take that required command for your work and you can do this. Understand? So it is not required to memorize all the things, all the commands, but what is important, you have to follow this command line. There you will get the information and accordingly you have to work. So here it is asking for select object to divide. So it is very clear, very much clear. So you have to select one object. Understand? So that way you have to do the work here in AutoCAD. For all the commands, you will get this type of instructions and you have to follow that thing. Then it is very easy to learn AutoCAD. It is clear? So how to erase? So I can type E. Then I can type all. So all things will be selected, enter, all things will be erased. Have I demonstrated polygon? Yes or no? No. So next command should be polygon. Now you know how to make one polygon. Say for example, I have to draw one hexagon. So what is the procedure to make the hexagon? Suppose my side of the hexagon is say 20 millimeter. Then how to draw? What is the easiest way to make one hexagon there? Can anyone say? In your drawing, what is the procedure to make one hexagon? No, using the 20 millimeter radius, you will draw one circle, right? Then, yes. Now, if it is say pentagon or say heptagon, then how to make that this regular polygon, regular say pentagon or say heptagon? So then you have to follow the instructions to make one regular polygon. It is there in your engineering drawing class, how to make one regular polygon. Now the thing is, to make regular polygon in AutoCAD also we have different options. Generally there are three options. What are the three options? One is we can make one circle, inside that we can make the polygon. Another option is we can make the circle and making tangent to the circle we can make the regular polygon. So earlier one is called inscribe one circle, the later one is called circumscribe by a circle. Another procedure is, as you know, the external angle of the external angle rule. The total angle should be 360 degree, and depending on that you can make the regular polygon also, taking the side and taking the angle of this. Now here easily you can make this polygon, regular polygon. Say for example, I am taking this polygon command. In draw toolbar also it should be there. So this is polygon. Okay. So when I am taking the polygon command, you see polygon, enter number of sides. Say for example, I want 6. Now specify center of polygon, or within third brackets it is edge. Now edge is the option. You may use or explore that option later on. So that is option. By default your option is specify center of a polygon. So I am taking this is the center of the polygon. Now it is asking for enter an option, inscribe in a circle or circumscribe about a circle. Say for example, I want to make the polygon inside one circle. So I am taking inscribe one circle. I enter. Now see, specify radius of the circle. Suppose I am giving say radius as 25 millimeter. I am enlarging it. Okay. So this is my polygon using inscribe option, inscribe one circle, and the radius of the circle is 25 millimeter. Remember this. Again, I am taking this polygon command. This time also I want 6. Side number of sides 6. Specify center of polygon. Yes, I am taking this center of polygon. And this time I want circumscribe about a circle. So for that, or to take that command, I have to type C, enter. Here also I want to put the radius of circle as 25. Now see, these two polygons are not same. Again, I am trying to use a third option. 1 minute, please. Yes, I am back. So I am taking the third option. Third option is from the draw toolbar. I am taking polygon. Now number of sides is 6. Specify center of polygon. This time I do not want to put the information of center of polygon, but I want to take this edge option. So I need to type E, then specify first endpoint of the edge. Say this is my first endpoint. Second endpoint of the edge. Here I can type the value. So I am typing here 25. Okay. Now you see the first one I have drawn using inscribe one circle. Second one circumscribe about the circle. The third one using the edge option. Now I want to see what is the dimension or side of this polygon. So how to get the dimension or how to provide the dimension in the drawing? So from this dimension, I can take linear dimension. Okay, I am taking linear dimension. So this point and this point, I am taking these 2 points and I am putting the dimension here. Okay, linear dimension from here to here. For your hexagon only, these 2 polygons are same. But if you use a pentagon or heptagon, other polygons, regular polygons, then these 2 polygons will be also different. Is it clear? Can you do this with me? Can you put the dimension? Can you do this?
Yes, sir.
Can you draw a regular polygon?
লাস্ট হেক্সাগনটা কিভাবে এঁকেছেন দেখাবেন?
Yes. This one using edge option. Okay, I am deleting this thing
Yes,
then.
sir.
Sorry. So I am taking polygon option. From here also I can take the polygon option. Then number of sides 6. Enter. Specify center of polygon. This time I do not want to put the center, but I want to explore edge option. So to get this edge, this option, I need to type E, letter E, then enter. Then only I can access that edge option. Specify first endpoint of edge. Say this is my first endpoint. Now you see in the command line, specify second endpoint of the edge. So here I can put the direction, I can show the direction, and in that direction I can put the value, and that value will be treated as the length of that side. Is it clear now?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now you put the dimension linear. Yes. If you face any problem, please let me know. Dibmallo, can you do this?
Yes, sir.
Shomodip,
Yes, sir.
Ritam,
Yes, sir.
Deep,
হ্যাঁ স্যার হয়ে গেছে
Shumon, you have computer problem. Then Shreyas Tripathi,
Yes, sir.
Shobik, Probal,
Yes, sir.
Suchandrima,
Yes, sir.
Ramij, Ramiz Ahmed, are you here? Ramiz Ahmed, Shobik, Swastik Acharya,
Yes, sir.
Vishal, Vishal, are you there?
Sir, how are you writing the dimension?
Yes, yes. 1 minute. Vishal, Aman Singh.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the question is how to maintain the dimension here, right? How to maintain this dimension 25 when I am using edge command, right? Or edge
Yes,
option.
sir.
Okay. Again, I am taking this polygon. Okay. So this is my polygon. So number of sides is 7. Now I am taking edge option. Okay. Now specify first endpoint, right? Always please follow the command line. So here, when I am moving my cursor, then the size of the polygon will change. Now the thing is, this way, when I am moving the cursor in the horizontal direction, in my horizontal direction, if this is my right direction to put the polygon, then in this direction only, okay, I can put the value. Suppose I am putting the value as say 20 millimeter. When direction is fixed, if I put any value there, that value should be treated as the length of that. Okay. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir. The 25 dimension is mentioned 25. So that-
Yes. Oh, how to provide the dimension there?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. Then to put the dimension, you will find different dimensions here: linear, align, arc, ordinate, radius, diameter, angular. So later on, we will learn how to provide different dimensions. Right now, this dimension is basically linear dimension. This horizontal one is called linear dimension. So from here to here, but sometimes you cannot pick this end point. Okay, then what we have to do? We have to go for OSNAP mode, object snapping mode. You know OSNAP, object snap. From here, you will find these options. So here node, intersection, endpoint also is there. So to take or to select the endpoint here to provide the dimension, you need to on this OSNAP, object snap. The required mode should be on so that easily you can select the endpoint or the node point or the intersecting point from there, from where you try to provide the dimension on the object. Is it clear? So if it is not showing this point, this point or this point, then from this OSNAP mode, you try to select the required mode so that easily you can select these 2 points to provide the dimension in this drawing. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Now, sometimes your text height may not be visible. Text height is so small that it may not be visible in your screen. Then what to do? So if you are using this AutoCAD 2021 version or 2022 version, from here annotation you may find this ISO 25. Here you will find dimension style. Okay. So if you click here, you will get one window. Are you getting this thing? Are you getting this thing? Again, I am doing this thing. From here, you select this point, dimension style. You will get this option. From here, you try to modify this. So this is basically the text height, dimension text. So you'll find lines. So later on, we'll discuss how to change this thing and what is the effect of this, symbols and arrows. Then text. Here, you may change the text height. For your case, 0 may be there, but you may change the value text height. So here you have to use the standard text height. Standard text height means as per our Indian standard, we use 2.5, 3.5, 5, 7, 10, like these. These values are standard text height values. Okay. So here, if you change the value and if you press OK, then automatically these values or text heights will be changed. Say, for example, I am changing to say 7. Now see, you see the effect of this. Do you understand this? Again, I can change
Yes,
this.
sir. Very big.
Okay. From here also you can do this thing. From dimension, you change. You go to dimension style. From here you can change this thing. Text. Here you can change the value. Is it clear? Any problem to make this polygon, a regular polygon?
No, sir.
May I proceed with another comment?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am erasing this. Okay. Now say for example, I have one line, sorry, orthoinos, or I am making ortho. Another line is this way. So they are basically two intersecting lines. Now my objective is I want to delete or I want to erase this part of this line. From this line is extended. Okay. So this line, this part of the line or the segment of the line, I want to erase. Now you know erase command. But if I use erase command, now see, if I try to delete this part only from here up to this, then I cannot do this because if I try to select, the whole line is selected. Got the point? Now I want to remove or erase this part only from this point up to this point. This part of the line to be erased. But what should be the procedure then? The objective is clear to you? What I am trying to do?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what we have to do? From modify, you will find trim option. TRIM, trim. So using trim option, you see, trim. Now I can trim easily. You see here, automatically it is selecting like this. Now you see, when I am trying to select this one or this one or this one can be trimmed. So this is basically one erase, but the thing is a special case of erase. I do not want to erase the whole thing, the part of the thing from our cutting edge, I want to erase that thing. Can you do? Can you do this thing or not?
Yes, sir.
If you are using a lower version, then I have to explain in a different way. Is there anybody, Deep? Have you changed to other version?
No, sir. 2007.
2007. Can you do this trim option there?
This, sir.
Try it. Now here in dimension, suppose I have one line here. I want to extend this line up to this line. Then how to do that? So that is basically is called extend. Extend. So that is my boundary. Okay. Say this line is not there. Another line is say from this point to this point. I want to extend this thing. Object to extend. This object I want to extend. Or this object I want to extend. It's very simple. Okay. Sorry. In AutoCAD 2022, it is very simple. By default, these options are there. Is there any problem to do this thing?
স্যার ট্রিমটা কি মডিফায়ার মধ্যে আছে?
Yes. Modify. Under modify, you will find trim, extend, break, join, chamfer, fillet. Okay.
ওকে স্যার।
স্যার
Please do this
2007 এ স্যার তো পুরোটাই সিলেক্ট হয়ে গেছে স্যার ট্রিম করতে গিয়ে।
in
ইয়েস স্যার
2007.
আমাদেরও পুরোটা সিলেক্ট হয়ে যাচ্ছে। পুরোটাই সিলেক্ট হয়ে যাচ্ছে।
Yes, sir. Sir, in 2020, sir, when we are selecting, then that whole line is selected, and the other line which is passing through that intersection is getting trimmed.
Okay. Okay. So you need to share your screen, then I can help you. Okay. Basically here AutoCAD 2022, I have the default options where I can do these things. If you are facing some problems there, please share your screen, or after the class you share the screen, then I can explain how to solve that issue. Now also you can share one by one. So in that case, I may stop the recording. Should I stop the recording? You share your screen.
স্যার আমি করছি।
Okay. Okay, you draw 2 lines. Okay. Then from modify, you take trim. No, select objects you see here. No. If you follow the command line, again you take it, escape this thing, press escape button, deep, press escape button.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
বুঝতে না, স্যার।
Escape
উপরে বাঁদিকে একদম
from your keyboard. You press escape button, ESC, escape from your keyboard only. From your
স্যার প্রথম
keyboard,
থেকে নিতে খুবই হচ্ছে না।
একদম
from
উপরে
your
বাঁদিকে
keyboard,
Yes, স্যার।
top left
হ্যাঁ
corner.
পেয়েছি স্যার।
Okay, now one
Yes,
by
sir.
one, take modified from modified toolbar, you take trim. Okay, now follow the command line, select cutting edge from where you want to trim the object. So that line or that cutting edge should be selected first. Which part you want to trim? You show using your cursor this part. So the longer line should be selected. You select the longer line. Yes, select that thing that is not selected. Yes, now select object to trim. Now the part of the line you want to trim, you select that part. No, not that one. Next, in the next line, that the selected line. Yes, you select that thing, click there. No.
Again, sir. Again,
Yes, do it again. Press escape.
হচ্ছে না, স্যার।
Escape. Okay, go to again, go to modify, take trim. Okay, select that longer line. Yes, that should be a cutting edge. Enter, press enter. Yes, now see, select object to trim. Now this option is there. You in the second line, you select that part you want to trim, right?
Yes, sir.
Press enter
Yes, sir,
again.
বুঝতে পেরেছি।
Press enter again. Okay, now is there any other who is facing the same problem?
Thank you, sir.
Yes, stop presenting. Yes, is there any other student who is facing the same problem, same type problem?
yes sir yes
Yes.
sir.
Can you show? Can you share
Yes,
your screen?
Yes sir.
Yes. Okay. Now trim, select object.
Yes sir, now it's telling to select the object.
Okay.
So this line is it's a polyline. I have mistakenly drawn that.
Okay. So you draw 2 lines using line comments. Then you try to do the same thing. Using line command, you draw 2 lines. No. Okay. Okay,
trim.
now take trim command. Select cutting edge. You see it is written select cutting edge. Okay, enter. Enter. Have you pressed enter? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Trim. No. You have come out from
Dubar
the
enter
trim.
टिपा.
Yes. Again, you take the trim command. Select
Cutting, I have
object,
to-
cutting edge. Yes. First, you see in the command line, you have to see the command line. It is asking for select cutting edge. So you take one line as the cutting edge. It is not required to select at the crossing point.
Okay,
Anywhere
okay,
you can
okay.
select it.
Now, which is cutting the another line?
Yes.
Okay.
You suppose you are taking this. Press enter. Your selection is okay. Okay. Now trim. Which part you want to trim? It should be in the second line. Already you have taken one line. So the trim. Yes.
Okay.
Select that thing. Enter.
Wrongly
No.
enter.
Okay.
Okay. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay. So
Okay,
basically, depending on the versions, depending on your default options, you will get different things. But what you have to do, always you follow the command line, what is written there, and accordingly you do the action, and you can do this.
Okay,
Understand? Now, is there any
Yes,
other
sir.
student who is facing the problem to make the trim or extend?
No, sir.
Okay, so it is okay. Okay. Now, how to write text? How to write text in AutoCAD? So here is already written text, multi-line text, single line text. Also, you can type txt text, specify start point of the text. Say this is my start point. Specify height of the text. Say 5 is my height. Specify rotation angle of the text. Say it is 0 now. Now here you can write Jadavpur University. Press enter. Again, you see in the command line, text command is active. Again, you have to press enter. Then only you may come out from your text command. Okay. Again, you can take text. Text height say 5. Say civil engineering. Okay. Press enter. Again, you have to press enter to come out from your. Okay. Text. Start point of the text. Text height say 5. Now the angle say 90 degree. Okay. Is it clear? So depending on the angle, you can align your text. So sometimes in our drawing, you need to provide the title block. There you have to write it. So text is required. Is it clear? Can you do this? Any problem to do this text command?
No, sir.
Am I going very fast?
No, sir, it's
Or
okay.
it is okay? Okay. Also, what you can do from your text style, you see here font, you may change the font. You may have different font there. So from your format, you can change that font. That is called text style. In the text style, you do not change the height, because in the command line only we can change the text height. So it is possible to change there only in the command line. So font name, here you can use different font name. It may be Arial, it may be Times New Roman. Okay. So then automatically the written text will be modified according to the font. So it should be done from the format, text style. Okay. The oblique angle, all other things you may not change here, because for the particular line we may change from the command line only. Is it clear? Sorry. Okay. Today I will show the last command, that is called, say, mirror. Say for example, I have drawn one rectangle here. And as you know, I want to make the same thing at this position with keeping the same distance, same offset distance from here to here or from here to here. That means basically we want to do mirroring of this object. And how to do that thing? To mirror this object, I have to take mirror command. So that is available in modify toolbar. That is called mirror. Mirror, you see select object. So that object should be selected. If the selection is complete, press enter. Now mirror specify first point of mirror line. So this line may be one imaginary line, only I need 2 points. But you see, I cannot select the endpoint of this line, because in the OSNAP object snapping mode, endpoint is not selected. Now I can select the endpoint. Specify second point of mirror line, this line. Now erase source objects, yes or no. Here by default option is no. But if I use Y, enter, no, sorry, I forgot to type it. Anyway, suppose I am trying to delete it again. Take the mirror command. Now I am taking from here. Select objects. This object I am trying to select. Selection is complete. Then I have to press enter. First endpoint this one, second endpoint this one. I want to type Y. No. Erase source object, yes, but it is taking no. Why? It is not taking the option. You also do this thing. In my case, I cannot, yes. Erase source object, yes. Okay, erase source object, yes. Then you see the first object, the source object is deleted. Only the mirrored object is there. Can you do this?
Yes, sir. Sir, মাঝখানে লাইনটা না ড্র করে করা যাবে?
Yes, yes, definitely. Because this is basically one imaginary line. We need only 2 endpoints.
Okay.
This endpoint, also this endpoint. Okay. Without the line also it is possible to make it. Only information I need to provide 2 endpoints of the line. That is called mirror line. Basically, this line should be the central line, the line of symmetry. So mirror command is okay. Is the problem to do the mirroring of the objects?
No, sir.
When there are multiple objects, you need to select the multiple objects. Then only you have to go for the line selection. Then you will get it. You do one thing. I am drawing one circle here, say. Then taking 5 mm gap, I want to make another circle. Taking another 5 mm gap, I want to draw another circle. 5 mm gap and 5 mm radial distance. Okay. Now how to do that thing? So for the circle, it is possible to use multiple times circle command and changing the diameter or radius. We can do that thing. Okay. Suppose I have one line from here to here. I want to make another line or parallel line with a gap of say 7 mm. I can do this thing. Possible. But here in AutoCAD, we have one dedicated command for this. That command is called offset command. Modify, you will find offset. Now specify first distance or through. Offset distance. Say for example, I want 5 mm offset distance. Set object to offset. Say for example, this is my object. I want to make the offset. Now specify point on sign to offset. I want say this side or this side. Okay. Again, I am selecting this thing. Okay. So this way I can do the offset of these lines. Similarly, suppose for the circle, I am taking the offset. Modify, offset. This time I want say 7 mm. Say offset object. This one. Sorry. Offset 7 mm. This object point to site. Understand? So this way we can use the offset command. The same thing can be drawn using line command or say circle command for by multiple times.
Sir, here the
Changing the
radius
time.
is increasing, but if we want to inscribe the circle,
Yes, possible.
then we have to write -7.
No, I am doing it. 1 minute. Erase all.
Is the
1 minute. Huh? Suppose I have one for this. Suppose I have this amount of circle. Okay. Now I want to use offset command. And offset distance say 4 mm. Okay. I am using this because here select object to offset. I am selecting this one. Specific point on sign to offset. Which side you want to do the offset? This side. Direction will be only the opposite direction. Is it clear?
yes, sir.
Enter. Can you do this? Is there any problem? Can you give some extra time in this week? then we can take another class in this week, because last week we could not take any class. (4:30)
Wednesday morning.
morning I am not available. In the second
Friday
half
to-
only I am. Friday from 2 I am available, but from 4:30 I have another class.
Friday में छुट्टी हुआ है सर. Friday ছুটি আছে না গান্ধী জয়ন্তী জন্য?
ওটা
আমি তো
Saturday.
জানি না।
Saturday গান্ধী
শুক্রবার রে 2 তারিখ দেখ.
Anyway, you discuss. If it is possible to
Shonibar.
take the class,
Shonibar.
I have no problem. Okay. Otherwise, next Monday we'll sit again.
হ্যাঁ রে শনিবার.
Sir, please
Shonibar
repeat
available.
the expand comment.
Extend comment.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You may share your screen at that in that screen only I can help
Okay,
you.
sir. Sir, if you write 5 in the comment, so the distance remains small. But if I write 5, then it takes a great distance. But what is the inch or millimeter? Any problem? What is the unit?
No, right now I did not mention the units. So probably next class we will discuss the units. So there is no problem. If you zoom in or zoom out, it may be different. But the thing is, the units are same. Okay. So we are talking about the units. Whether it is
Okay.
millimeter or inch, later on we will discuss. From the format, we can change that thing. Millimeter to inch or inch to millimeter. Okay. But in
Okay,
AutoCAD, this is not the problem, because you can zoom in or zoom out of your drawing.
I think ortho mode is on. Okay, sir, I have to extend this line.
Okay, no
Expand.
problem. Okay, extend. That is called extend command.
Okay.
Okay,
Select
enter.
the.
Now select the boundary edge, not that one. You follow your command line.
Okay.
Select the boundary edge. So that line is not your boundary. Boundary should be the, yes, other line. Yes.
Select the object.
No. Again you take extend command. No. Before that, you select objects. Before that, select boundary edges. So all the things are not written there, but select boundary edges, then select objects. For the boundary, you need to select.
Okay,
the
now
object.
out of the command, na?
Yes, now you are out of the command. Extend.
Extend. I am writing it here, so there
Yes,
is
no
no difference in that. Na?
Yes, no problem. You write.
Yes, it is coming.
Yes. Enter.
But it is.
No. You see.
Oh,
You read the all lines after extend command. Command extend, current settings, projection, UCS,
Okay.
edge, none. Then select boundary edges, and for the boundary edges you need to select the objects. Okay, now you try to select that object. Yes, that one. Press enter. Now you select the object you want to extend.
Okay, sir.
Understand? You follow the command line. All things are there. Try to
See,
understand
I
the
have
meaning
to
of
extend
yes.
this. I have to extend this again for 5 millimeter.
No, then there should be one boundary. Without boundary, you cannot do
Okay.
that thing. Here, the extend command or say trim command, always there should be one boundary or cutting edge. For the trim, there should be a cutting edge. From the extend, there should be one boundary edge up to which you want to extend the object. For the trim,
Okay,
there
sir.
should be one cutting edge from where you want to cut the object. Understand?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Is there any other question?
No, sir.
So I think today we have learned 3-4 commands, 3-4 draw commands, and 3-4 say modify commands. In our next class, we will try to explore more commands, and then we will give some assignments or say drawings. You need to draw those drawings. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So in this mode, are you comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 1 minute. Let me take the attendance. Then you may leave. Shomodip.
Yes, sir.
Present.
Yes, sir.
Ankit Prasad. Are you here, Ankit? Ankit? Probal? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Pronoy Sarkar? Pronoy? No. Dora Binit? No. Shivam? Shivam Mondol? Shostik Acharya?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shreyoshi De? Absent. Aman Kumar Singh?
Present, sir.
Okay. Shantanu? Ankit, okay. Shantanu? Probably he left. Shreyash?
Present, sir.
Okay. Then Suchandrima?
Present, sir.
Oishik Bishwas? Devmallo? Devmallo Chatterjee? Ritom?
Present, sir.
Ranojit? Ranojit Das? Krishno?
Present, sir.
Vishal? Ankit, I have marked you present. No problem. Vishal? Deep Haldar? Yes.
Present, sir.
Shumon?
Present, sir.
Shobhik Pramanik? Ramiz Ahmed? So Vishal Mondal is here? No. Okay. So you may leave. If you have any other question, you may stay back.
তাই
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.